Ever wondered what it takes to whip up a bowl of spaghetti that can transport your taste buds straight to the heart of Italy? Well, today the secret unravels. Picture this. Spaghetti. Perfectly al dente, drenched in a rich, hearty tomato sauce, flecked with just the right amount of garlic, onions, and fresh basil leaves. A generous sprinkle of Parmesan cheese on top, and you have a dish that's as comforting as it is delicious. So, how does one create this culinary masterpiece? Start with the basics, a large pot of boiling water. Add a dash of salt for flavor. Once the water is bubbling away, introduce the spaghetti. Give it a good stir to prevent sticking. Cook the spaghetti until it's just al dente, that is, cooked to be firm to the bite. While the pasta is bubbling away, begin preparing the sauce. Heat up some olive oil in a large pan over medium heat. Add finely chopped onions and minced garlic, sautéing until they're soft and fragrant. Next, it's time to add the star of the show, ripe, juicy tomatoes. Crush them into the pan, letting the mixture simmer. As the tomatoes break down, they'll infuse the sauce with their rich, tangy flavor. To this simmering goodness, add a pinch of salt, a crack of black pepper, and a handful of fresh torn basil leaves. Stir the sauce well, letting all the flavors meld together. By now, the spaghetti should be ready. Drain it well, reserving a cup of the pasta water. This starchy water is a secret weapon, helping the sauce cling to the pasta. Combine the drained spaghetti with the simmering sauce. If the sauce seems too thick, add a little of the reserved pasta water. Stir everything together until the spaghetti is well coated with the sauce. Before serving, sprinkle generously with freshly grated Parmesan cheese. And there you have it, a bowl of spaghetti that's bound to impress. In summary, the key points to remember. Cook the spaghetti until it's al dente. Sauté onions and garlic for the sauce base. Add crushed tomatoes seasoned with salt, pepper, and fresh basil. Combine the cooked spaghetti with the sauce, adding pasta water if needed. Top it off with a generous sprinkle of Parmesan cheese. The secret to a perfect spaghetti dish lies in its simplicity, high-quality ingredients cooked with care and attention to detail. With this recipe, you're all set to dish up a bowl of spaghetti that's as heartwarming as it is delicious. So go on, don your apron and get cooking.